Good morning once more. So this video might be silly for a lot of people. It's a bit like how do you turn on a computer, but I suppose there's those maybe that don't. Very few like that. So this is inside the WordPress website within our partner program. We build it for free with all these thousands of plugins. Um, I forgot what I was going to say there. Apart from you pay for the hosting. So there's a plugin called Snap, and you're maybe searching for that. How do you install it, or how do you set it up? So this is what this video is about, Snap. So this is, as it says, Snap. So when you post a blog, an article without having to go into Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, um, it posts it for you. The other ones like Pinterest or YouTube, Reddit, or any other ones, you have to upgrade. So it lets you do three, but that would probably be the two main ones: Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. LinkedIn. So I've already got this installed, but this is basically how you would do it. You go to plugin and add new. Seems a bit slow this morning. And I've done this earlier as well. Okay, so this is the plugins that we've got and different things. So we're just going to go here and search for Snap. Yeah, so I've already done it. So this it's 3 months old. So 10,000 plus active installations. It's near enough 5 stars. There's people that gave it 4, so it's quite good. So social share buttons, click to tweet, social media plugin by Social Snaps. So obviously they're into Twitter um, as well, and they've probably got an account, that's why they've got that in their title. It's the best social sharing plugin, share buttons for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. And that's what it is. So we click on it, see what it is. Let's just tell you the current version. So if that didn't say active, you just press install. And then if we go to install plugins, we just check. We've got all the different ones, and this is called Snap, or they've retailed it Social Snap. These notifications and settings. So you could deactivate it or upgrade, add on as well. So it's quite easy to set up. I've kind of got this on the site. I've got the social media accounts ready there. So just go back, social sharing, managed networks, and it's got Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and then you can add other networks, but you have to upgrade for it. So they make money. And that's basically, I've not really went into the rest, see what they do, but that's basically how you would install Snap plugin. If you were looking to do that, it's really just as easy as that. I'll leave a link of our business, which will create all these plugins, which are thousands of dollars if you upgrade to partner. So we hope to see you on inside. Bye bye for now.